Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload your projects to Skesh. So what I have here is a sample project, and this is a note editor called Little Notes. Credit goes to the owner. I'm not the one who created this one. So the first thing you want to do is run the project in Sketchware. Once you install it, take a few screenshots. Skesh allows up to 2 screenshots. So just make sure the screenshots show functionality or are attractive really. uh, okay, so I've taken the 2 screenshots. Now you want to grab Skesh. If you don't have it, let's go to your Play Store, then let's do Skesh. So Skesh has got a number of projects that you can like and are able to download for free. So there we go, just install Skesh. Once it's installed, open it. Then you have to log in for you to be able to upload. So once you're logged in, click on the menu, then you'll find the upload project button. So once you click on that, then you're able to choose the project that you want to upload. So what I want to upload is this one, Little Notes. So once you click on it, it loads and it brings you this screen from which you can attach your screenshots. So remember, the screenshots have to be nice. So let's just do a little cutting. I want to remove the status bar and the navigation buttons. So open any photo editor with crop functionality, then pick the screenshots that you took, then I'm going to crop them, not much. So I'm using Screen Master. I really love this app. Well done. There I'm missing my phone. Then let's choose the second one, crop it as well, just a bit there. Save. Okay, now we have our screenshots ready. Go back to Sketch. Now we have both screenshots picked, so we can put the description here. The description has to have information about the project, any important information that you need to give out to anyone who wants to download this. Okay, so once you're done with the description and you're ready to upload, just hit on the upload button. This will upload your project to Sketch, and anyone with the app can be able to download your project. There we go, upload success. And to see the project, you just have to close it for now, but I want to change this in the next update. So let's reopen it and see if our project is there. Okay, so you can see the project I just uploaded is here, and once we open it, we've got the screenshots, the name and everything that we just input. The description as well is there, and you're able to download. So whoever has Skesh is able to download your project. They're also able to rate it, and they're also able to comment on it. The screenshots are also viewable right from this activity, and you can zoom in, zoom out, double tap to zoom, and close it. Then you can also share your projects there and delete projects that you uploaded. Okay, so we're done with how to upload a project in Sketch. If you want to try Sketch out, you can download from the Play Store. Just search Sketch, or from the link that I'll leave in the description. You can have access to it. It's got quite a number of projects that you can like. So these are shared by the community and some are shared by me.